presentation is for the project on US 53 between 40th Avenue and County Highway B in the city of Chippewa Falls, the village of Lake Hallie, and the towns of Wheaton and Tilden in Chippewa County. Rather than holding an in-person meeting, public involvement efforts have moved online as a precaution against COVID-19 based on the most current health information from the state, federal, and local health departments. All meeting materials, including the handout with a comment form, are posted on the design website for the project as shown below. If you have any questions, please contact the Wisconsin DOT project manager, Jesse Larson, at 715-491-1470. Thank you for joining us for the public involvement meeting presentation for US 53 from 40th Avenue to County Highway B. The US 53 project team manager is Jesse Larson of the Wisconsin DOT Northwest Region Eau Claire office. EMCS Inc. has also been hired by the Wisconsin DOT to help deliver the design of this project. The objectives for this meeting are to cover project location, project purpose and need, the proposed improvements, construction staging and schedule, any real estate needs, the current project schedule, and how to provide input on this very important project. A project location map is shown on this slide. The project extends from 40th Avenue to north of County Highway B and is approximately 7 miles in length. US 53 is an important part of Wisconsin's state transportation system. It is also part of the national highway system. US 53 serves as a truck route, including movement of oversized and overweight loads for freight movement in Wisconsin, and serves local commuters and businesses throughout northwestern Wisconsin. It provides a critical interstate link to the state of Minnesota. The department's objective is to ensure safe and efficient operations of the state highway system while also supporting local access. The primary need for the project is the condition of the pavement. The pavement is deteriorating, with the original construction occurring in the mid-1970s. The last asphaltic overlay was completed in the mid-2000s. There is cracking and rutting throughout due to the poor underlying concrete. The pavement is nearing the end of its service life. Other needs include bridge deterioration on the US 53 bridges over the Chippewa River and over Business 29 County Highway X. Pavement improvements are recommended to keep traffic moving safely and efficiently along US 53. A pavement replacement alternative is proposed, and additional asphaltic pavement overlays are no longer a cost-effective solution for this very high traffic corridor. A pavement replacement alternative best addresses the project need while balancing the long-term investment into the roadway system. The proposed improvements for the 53 corridor include placement of new concrete pavement along US 53 between 40th Avenue and north of County Highway B, along the interchange ramps at Business 29 and County X, County S, and County B interchanges. The pavement will also be replaced along County Highway S and County Highway B between the interchange ramps. Pavement replacement includes replacement of the aggregate drainage layer below the pavement. We will be maintaining the existing alignment and the number of travel lanes, as well as existing intersection configurations throughout all interchanges. Additional improvements will include repair of bridges by placement of a polymer overlay, which consists of an anti-skid surface to maintain the bridge deck and to reduce run-off-the-road crashes that are occurring near the bridges over the Chippewa River and over Business 29 County Highway X. The project will also include placement of snow fence planting to reduce snow drifting across southbound US 53 at 4 locations. We will repair deteriorated culverts and some ongoing drainage erosion, replace the guardrails and right-of-way fencing, and we will also replace all pavement marking and shoulder rumble strips throughout the project. The construction of US 53 and the associated interchanges will take place between the spring of 2022 and the summer of 2024. Maintaining safety and mobility are high priorities both after construction and during construction. US 53 traffic can be maintained effectively with one lane in each direction before Memorial Day or after Labor Day. Construction will be staged to minimize delays along US 53 during peak travel periods between Memorial Day and Labor Day. Interchange ramps will be closed for short periods to accommodate the pavement replacement, and consecutive interchanges will not be closed at the same time. Construction of some temporary pavements is planned to facilitate traffic movements. Temporary crossovers are proposed to facilitate movements between northbound and southbound traffic on US 53, south of 40th Avenue, north of County Highway N, and north of County Highway B. Temporary ramps are proposed to facilitate access at the interchanges. There will be temporary ramps constructed for the Business 29 County Highway X southbound exit, for all ramps at the County Highway S interchange, and for the County Highway B northbound exit ramp. The County Highway B northbound entrance ramp and southbound exit ramp will be maintained on the US 53 existing travel lanes or shoulders. The locations of construction and the traffic conditions are outlined by year in the following slides. Also available on the project website is an exhibit that demonstrates the construction area by color-coded years. The project will begin in spring of 2022 with the construction of temporary crossovers along US 53. Single lane conditions will be maintained during this work. In the summer of 2022, the County Highway S interchange will be replaced. The pavement will be replaced on the interchange ramps while the interchange is closed for approximately 1 month. The pavement on County Highway S will be replaced under staged conditions with narrow widths. Traffic will be maintained through County Highway S at all times. In the fall of 2022, work will begin to replace the pavement on northbound US 53 from County Highway S to County Highway B. In this location, bidirectional traffic will be carried along southbound US 53. South of County Highway S, normal traffic will be maintained on US 53. The northbound entrance ramp at County B will be closed for approximately 3 weeks while the pavement north of County B is being replaced. At the end of work in the fall of 22, there will be a winter shutdown and no work will occur. All lanes and all interchanges will be open. Work will resume on the US 53 project in the spring of 2023. The work will begin by replacement of the northbound US 53 pavement from 40th Avenue to County Highway S and replacement of the pavement on the Business 29 County X interchange ramps. Through this section of US 53, bidirectional traffic will be carried on the southbound side. North of County Highway S, US 53 will be under normal traffic conditions. All of the Business 29 County X ramps will be closed except for the southbound exit ramp. In the summer of 2023, the US 53 main line will be open and work will continue on the Business 29 County X interchange, as well as begin on the County Highway B interchange. It is anticipated that the Business 29 County X interchange will remain closed until approximately July 4th when all work is completed on the ramps. The Highway B interchange ramps are anticipated to be closed for approximately 4 weeks, and the southbound entrance ramp will remain closed into the fall of 23. County B itself will remain open during construction of the interchange, except for a short-term detour, which is anticipated to be less than 2 weeks, to complete the pavement replacement on County Highway B between the interchange ramps. In the fall of 2023, the mainline US 53 pavement from County S to County B will be replaced. Within that same segment, bidirectional traffic will be carried on the northbound side of US 53. Normal traffic conditions will be present on US 53 south of this work area. All interchanges are anticipated to be complete and open. At the end of the fall of 2023, the project will shut down for the winter and no work is planned. All lanes and all interchanges will be open. In the final construction season of 2024, the last piece of southbound US 53 mainline pavement will be replaced from 40th Avenue to County Highway S. Bidirectional traffic will be carried on the northbound side of 53 through this section. North of County Highway S, all traffic will be on their current alignments, and all interchanges are anticipated to be open. In the summer of 2024, the project will remove all temporary pavements in the median of US 53 under single lane closures, and all work will be completed and the project will be finished. All US 53 work is anticipated to occur inside the existing highway right-of-way. The right-of-way fencing will be replaced throughout the project. If the fencing holds livestock, we ask that you please contact the Wisconsin DOT project manager as provided at the end of this presentation or as provided in the project website. Coordination will occur with you during construction. The current project schedule is outlined below. We prepared concept plans for the US 53 project in November of 2019. We are holding a local officials meeting and a public involvement meeting in July of 2020. From there, we will gather input and develop the preliminary plans yet this summer of 2020 and provide and complete our environmental document. Final plans are scheduled for August of 2021 with construction planned in spring 2022 to summer 2024. The proposed improvements for the US 53 project, as well as the construction staging and a project handout containing all the details in addition to this presentation, are located on the project website shown here on this slide. You can seek this website out by also going to the Wisconsin DOT webpage, going to Project Plans and Studies, go to Projects in Design, Construction Scheduled, and then hit the link for the Chippewa County project, US 53, 40th Avenue to County Highway B. Thank you for your participation in this very important project. We look forward to receiving any questions or input you may have. We request that you provide comments by August 3rd, 2020. Comments may be provided to Jesse at the address provided below. You can provide comments and questions to us in a number of ways, either via a written comment form, which is part of the project handout, available on the project website, or you may also simply email comments to the address shown below. Thank you for your participation, and we look forward to hearing from you.